Before you spend your money on leafer cutting mix, there are a few things you should know first. Many gardeners and plant lovers are curious about whether this product can really improve plant propagation, or if it's just another gardening product that sounds better in advertising than it performs in reality. Leafar Cutting Mix is marketed as a special blend designed to support plant cuttings by providing the right balance of moisture, aeration, and nutrients to help roots develop faster and healthier. According to its claims, the mix is supposed to create an ideal environment for delicate cuttings so they can establish roots without the common problems of raw or slow growth. While the exact formulation is not always clearly detailed, it appears to focus on lightweight materials that improve drainage and airflow, which are important factors when trying to propagate plants successfully. In terms of usability, the product seems straightforward since cutting mixes generally require minimal preparation and are used directly with plant cuttings placed into the medium. However, feedback from customers across different online platforms appears mixed. Some users report that their cuttings rooted successfully and appreciated the convenience of a ready-to-use propagation mix, while others mention that the results were similar to what they experienced with regular potting mixes or DIY propagation blends. There are also occasional complaints about pricing, with some buyers feeling the cost is slightly higher than comparable alternatives available in the gardening market. When it comes to overall value, the decision largely depends on what you expect from a specialized cutting mix. For beginners who prefer a simple pre-prepared solution, it might be convenient, but experienced gardeners may feel comfortable creating similar propagation conditions with common materials they already have. In the end, Leafar Cutting Mix doesn't appear to be a miracle product or an obvious scam either. It sits somewhere in the middle as a niche gardening product that may work for some plant enthusiasts but may not feel essential for everyone.